Hello everyone, my name is Ambassador K Africa. Welcome back to my channel. Please note that this video has been sponsored by K Motion Visuals. So if you require any photography and videography services, kindly contact the number on the screen. So today I've decided to take you along with me through my simple daily routine, whereby I'll be showing you what I normally do each and every morning. I hope this video will motivate you, make you relax, or simply keeps you company for a few minutes. Before doing anything, I make sure that I take a moment to thank God for keeping me alive, for the gift of another day, and for the strength to face whatever comes my way. No matter how busy life gets, I always try to start my day with gratitude. It sets the tone for everything that follows. After that, I make sure that I prepare my bed. It might seem small, but making your bed really makes a difference. It gives the room a fresh start and somehow makes your whole space and your mind feel more organized. It's a simple habit, but a powerful one. There is nothing fancy, just real life, real cleaning, and making some real peace. Next, I start by mopping my room. This is a bachelor's apartment downtown, remember? Not too big, but just right for me. As I mop, I like to think of it as clearing away yesterday's stress and making space for new energy. There is something very peaceful about watching the floor go from dusty to clean. Once the room is done, I move on to my tiny kitchen. It's a small and simple, just enough for one person, but I like to keep it neat. Put everything back in its place. A clean kitchen makes cooking feels better, even when it's a real quick meal. Thank you so much for watching. If this video brought you some calm or motivation, I am glad you were here. Until next time, my name is Ambassador K Africa. Take care, stay blessed, and keep the space clean and your heart grateful. Thank you. Check out.